Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can highlight text in CapCut PC. In order to do this, you need to download one thing which is brushstroke PNG, and this is available on browser. You can just search that and download that to your computer. You can download like yellow, blue, red, it's up to you. Whichever you wanna use to your text, you can just download that from here. Only thing you need to make sure that the stroke background should be transparent. Once you're sure about that, we're gonna import the media. For that, just click on this option and just select your media like this. Click on open. Now we're just gonna drag this media to the timeline just like this. Okay, now to show you clearly, let me just zoom the timeline so that you can see all the changes I'm gonna make. So very first thing you need to do in order to highlight the text is to select the stroke layer first. Then just you need to head over to this tab basic. Under that you have blend mode and just choose that to multiply. Then you need to toggle off this option uniform scale, and by using these two sliders you need to adjust the effect according to your text. Like I'm gonna apply this effect onto this text, so according to that I'm gonna adjust this. And yeah, it is looking good. This is exactly I want my effect to be. Now we're gonna add keyframes here in order to create the effect. For that, just head over to mask tab, click on add mask and make sure that it is selected on rectangle. Then just expand the effect according to your text like this, and just put your header just at the beginning like this, and just click on this option in order to add keyframe here. Now just shift this just here at the center, and now we're gonna create another keyframe. So for that, just click on this option again. Now select your first keyframe like this and just put the header there too. Now we need to disappear the effect. For that, just by using these handles we're gonna disappear the effect like this and just put it just here at the start. And now if I play the effect to show you how it is gonna look, and yeah, there you go, this is exactly I want this effect to be. Now if you wanna make it more slower, you can just shift forward this second keyframe, and now if I show you, you can see that it is getting slower. Similarly, if you put it just here at the start, the effect going to be fast, and if I shift it just here at the end, you can see that. And yeah, this is exactly how you can create highlight text effect in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.